guys, and welcome back to my channel. So as you may be able to tell from the title, today I am starting, or tomorrow I should say, I am starting a mini cut or like shredding for summer kind of thing. I've never done this before on my channel, and I've also just never done it before in general. I'm someone who lives just a very healthy, balanced lifestyle. I love healthy food, I love exercise, but I also love burgers and fries and not exercising sometimes. So yes, but for the past few months, I basically wanted to give myself a little challenge, and I wanted to start calorie tracking. I've never fully done calorie tracking before for a long term. I've usually just done it for a few weeks and given up because it's been too much effort. For the past few months in lockdown, I decided that that is something I really wanted to focus on. So I was in a calorie deficit for 3 months or 12 weeks. And then for the past month, I've been back at maintenance. Now I'm about to do another little deficit. I don't really have any specific goals or anything, like I don't have a weight that I want to reach or anything like that, but you know, I do just want to get a little bit more lean, a little bit more toned for summer, especially when you have to put on like a bikini or a pair of shorts. I just want to feel my best. I think I'm just going to do this mini cut for like 6 to 8 weeks and see how I go, and I thought I would basically vlog it all for you guys. So I'm going to vlog every single week, just bits throughout my day of me doing things that are going to help me achieve my goals. So I'm going to show you guys a grocery haul today, and throughout the week I'll just show you like my workouts, what I'm eating, new recipes and things like that. So yeah, I hope you guys are interested. This morning I did take a little bit of like before footage, so I'll insert that now. So yeah, I'm gonna pop you guys up here and I'll show you guys what we got in our groceries, like my staple ingredients and things like that. Okay, so for fresh produce, I've got a few different salad mixes. So the mixed lettuce leaf, just spinach for smoothies, and then this salad mix as well. Really sorry about the plastic. That's pretty much how all salad mixes come in our supermarkets. I've got blueberries and bananas for fruit, and I also have frozen strawberries. We've got a red capsicum, a green capsicum, and a red onion. There's also some frozen broccoli over here, and we have a bunch of like frozen cauliflower, corn, carrot, beans, and all that kind of stuff in the freezer. It just lasts so much longer, so we always buy frozen. My carb sources for the week are oats, these Spudlight potatoes, which are my favorite, this country split wholemeal bread. This is the best calorie friendly bread, so if you've never tried it, definitely get on it. And then these wholemeal pita breads we're going to use for homemade pizzas this week as well. For protein sources, we've got chicken tenderloins, I've got marinated chicken breasts, some beef mince, some pulled chicken. I'm going to use this on the pizza. And then I've got my favorite yogurts. I have these every single day. It's pretty much the main way I hit my protein target. I also use Happy Way protein powders as well. I've got some light cheese for the pizza, my almond milk, some diet cordial, and then also just these protein bars. These aren't calorie friendly. They're like 200 calories for one bar, which is a bit crazy. But a lot of the time I'm out training clients all day, so I just need a pick-me-up sometimes. So I'll usually have one of these and a yogurt, and then just some tomato sauce. So it's been a few hours since I last vlogged, and we are now in the car. We actually went for a long beach walk because it's beautiful outside today, and I hit my 10,000 steps. Hell yeah. Don't know if you can see that, but one of the main things I wanted to do for this like mini cut series is to hit 10,000 steps a day. At the moment I probably average about 6,000, so the aim is 8,000 if it's like a busy work day, and then 10,000 on days that I'm not at work all day, if that makes sense. But yeah, that is one of my main things, because getting your energy expenditure up is going to be super helpful when you're in like a cutting phase. Anyway, we are in the car because we're about to go kick the footy. We literally just went to Kmart and bought a footy. Neither of us are very good at this. Yeah, like speak for yourself. But yeah, we've been really into basketball lately, so we thought we'd give footy a try. But yeah, let's go kick this footy. morning guys, so it is now the day after and I'm just about to make some lunch, so I thought I'd show you guys what I'm making because I'm actually going to be making healthy barbecue chicken pizzas and I'm so excited about it. Very like calorie and macro friendly, so I will leave the calories on the screen for you guys if you're interested. I am going to be using these wholemeal pita bases. I generally would actually use a wrap, like a low carb wrap, because they're usually a lot better calories, but this is just what we had in our fridge. But if you are in a strict deficit, I would put it on like a wrap instead of that. Anyway, the other thing I did want to mention is this morning I actually went to the chiro and I have kind of done my back again. So yesterday when we were kicking the footy, I wouldn't say I injured myself, but I do have a pretty crappy lower back and I've kind of injured it again. So she said not to do any exercise today and until it kind of gets better, just to like stretch and go for walks. So I won't really be doing any more workouts in this weekly vlog. Hopefully by the end of the week I do get better and I can do one. But yeah, it's mostly just stretching and walking for the next week, which really sucks, and I honestly should have known better than to go kick a footy and run around an oval, but you win some, you lose some. So that basically just means I'm going to be a lot more strict with my diet and I'm going to make sure I'm eating as clean as possible, sticking to my diet as well as I can, and that way I will still hopefully see results. I am going out for dinner with a friend tonight and with friends tomorrow night as well, so that should be interesting. But yeah, we'll see. Anyway, let me get cracking onto this. Hey guys, so it's been a while since I vlogged. It is now Wednesday. No, it is now Tuesday. So today we went to the beach, which was really fun. We actually had the day off because it's a public holiday here in Melbourne or Victoria because of the Melbourne Cup. So we had a big beach day, which was really fun. And yeah, now we're going out for dinner with our friends. I'm probably not going to vlog because there are so many people everywhere. It's actually insane. So I'm probably going to be too scared. Speaking of, I'm probably going to be too scared to vlog in public. So yeah, I just thought I would update you guys here. We're about to get fish and chips, so obviously not the most calorie friendly food. I've left about 800 calories left for dinner, so hopefully I can track everything, and it just kind of means that I have to have a smaller portion. So I'm not going to go in there and order like a piece of fish and 2 dim sims and chips and things like that. I'll probably just get like literally just chips or something really basic. If you like fish, I would definitely recommend getting grilled fish and like salad. I personally am not a fan of fish, so I'm not really sure what I'm gonna get, but yeah, I've hopefully left myself enough calories so I'm not too worried, and you can track a lot of that kind of stuff in MyFitnessPal. So yeah, just thought I would update you guys. Hey guys, so it's been a while since I last updated this vlog because honestly this week has been absolutely crazy. I'm gonna blame it on the fact that we came out of a lockdown, so I've been super busy both with clients but then also catching up with friends. And yeah, I literally went out like 4 nights last week. Not out like clubbing or anything, but went and saw friends. So yeah, I feel like this first week of my deficit probably wasn't the best. Do I have food on my face? No, I don't. Sorry, I'm just eating my taco bowl for lunch, which you will see in next week's vlog because I've just started that vlog. But I just kind of wanted to jump on here and say I'm sorry that I haven't really filmed any workouts or anything this week. As you guys saw at the start of the week, I kind of did my back a little bit and I just wanted to take it easy, especially because I do go to the chiropractor and it is expensive. So I don't want to like put too much strain on my back and then have to keep going. So yeah, I kind of took it easy this week in terms of workouts. My food was pretty on point. Even when I went to friend's house, they were super accommodating and like made lower calorie options for me, and I took lower calorie alcoholic drinks with me as well. So yeah, all in all, it was a pretty good week, but I'm excited for this week because it means I get to go to the gym, I get to work out again. I've already made my meal prep this week, and so far we have no social events. So I can actually stay home and cook everything I want to cook. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed the first week of my deficit. If you want to see the rest of this journey over the next few weeks, then please stay tuned and yeah, give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!